Ghost Recon Wildlands won't launch. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Ghost Recon Wildlands not launching on your PC. If you've been struggling with crashes or the game not opening at all, this guide will help you get back into the action. Let's begin. First, open your Chrome browser. The main reason why your game is not opening is because you are missing this file. So look this file up on the Microsoft Store, VCC++ 2012, and depending on your OS. Okay, I have 64, so look this up. Make sure to click on the very first link that is going to show up on your search results. Next, once here, click on the download option. It will let you confirm the type of OS you have. Click on the specific OS and make sure to hit download right over here. So since I already have this installed, just make sure to follow the installation wizard, click next, and agree to all of the terms and conditions. Once done, make sure to refresh, then launch your game on Steam. And that's it. After following these steps, Ghost Recon should now launch without any issues. I hope you found this video very helpful.